Priscilla Pasitile, your money manager. Today is just going to be a short video where I'm going to take you through end income versus asset income, and I'm also going to show you the tax benefits of converting your end income into asset income. And in there, I'm also going to share with you the tax-free savings account that you can start exploring here in Botswana. Let's start with understanding the different types of income that we can get. The first income that majority of us are used to is what we call end income. The end income is basically our salaries. This is the income that we get by trading in our skills and time in exchange for this salary. And majority of us, 95% or whatsoever of people, this is the only income that they do get. However, there are also other types of income that we can get. And normally these types of income, they will fall on the investment side of things. We can get what we call business income. Business income, this is your profits that you are making from your business. We can get what we call dividends income. From your own business, you can also pay yourself dividends. This is income. You can also get dividends by investing in stocks of listed companies. And when these companies are profitable, they declare a portion of their net profits as dividends, and those dividends are distributed to you as shareholders. So this is dividend income. We can also get another type of income. This is interest income. Interest income is coming from our cash and cash equivalent investment. This is the income that you get from your investment into money market account, your investment or your fixed deposit, your savings accounts from the bank, or even your investment in bonds. In the bond market, they call it coupon. This coupon is equivalent to interest. This is interest income that you can get. You can also get passive income from your other investments. Passive income are normally used to what we call rental income. Passive income, rental income that you can get from your income producing properties, royalties that you can get from your intellectual properties, franchise fees that you can get from franchising your business. So these are the different types of income that you can get there, and you have to be looking at end income versus asset income. Are you only getting end income? And if you're only getting income, you also need to consider focusing on converting part of that end income into asset income. Why do I say so? I say so because these assets income, they do come with tax benefits. So let's look at the tax benefits of this assets income. Let's start with the business. You look at end income versus your business income. End income, you are taxed first before you can even receive that money. So you get your basic salary, you get taxed, and then you spend what is remaining. However, when we look at the business income, the treatment is totally different. Business income, you are going to make your sales or your revenue, you are going to expense all the allowable deduction, all the operating expenses, and you are taxed on what is remaining, which is what we call the net profit. And this net profit is taxed at 22% for resident companies, and non-resident companies is 30%. So you can see here the benefit. Business income has got more advantages than end income tax advantages. So that's the tax treatment for your business income. Let's look at the other different types of income produced by other different types of assets. Let's start with dividends. Dividends are taxed at only 10%. 10%, compare it to end income, you would see that, you know what, this is better. Dividend income, better tax treatment than your end income. Interest income, this is a very interesting one. Interest income is taxed also at 10%. However, there are some tax exemptions there that we have to be aware of. First one is what we'll classify as your tax-free savings account. Tax-free savings account. Any savings account or an investment account with Botswana Savings Bank is tax-free. You don't pay tax on the interest that you earn. So your best place to look for your tax-free savings accounts is Botswana Savings Bank, BSB. I hope this is very clear because a lot of people have been asking me about tax-free savings accounts in Botswana. BSB is the place for you. Second tax-free savings account, Botswana Building Society subscription shares. This we can classify as an investment. They are tax-free. You don't pay any tax from the returns that you make from BBS subscription shares. Thirdly, any interest that you make on your investments on bonds issued by National Development Bank. You don't pay any tax on this. This is a tax-free investment. And fourthly, up to a limit of 7,800 of interest you earn from your savings or investments account with a commercial bank and also BBS, you don't pay tax on the first 7,800. However, I know that they were considering to do away with this limit, but we just need to confirm if that has been effected. But as it is, before it is effected, the first 7,800 of interest that is paid on your savings account or investment with commercial banks and BBS, you don't pay interest on this. These are your tax-free savings accounts and the tax benefits that comes with interest income. I hope this is very clear to everyone out there who is looking to maximize on tax savings. Interest income. However, the tax that you pay on your interest income is only 10%. This is anything outside these four things that I have already shared with you. So you can see the 10%, compare it to the tax that you are paying on your end income. You can see that there is a huge benefit there. Let's look at rental income. Rental income, this is your passive income. The withholding tax or the tax that you pay on your rental income is 5%. Remember, the first 48,000, you don't withhold any tax on it. However, the withholding tax on the excess of that is 5%. Now compare the 5% to the tax that you are paying on your end income. You can see that there's a huge benefit in there. These are the benefits, and this is what I can share with you today. Do know that I am not a tax expert. Tax is such a diverse and a complicated topic. There's so many things that we can talk about when it comes to tax, allowable deductions, capital deductions, transfer duties, and all of those things. I think this is all that I can share with you, and this is all that I wanted to share with you. This is something that is available to you to take advantage of immediately. You don't have to wait for anything. You can just start acting today. But the most important thing that you have to remember is that you need to focus on converting your earned income into asset income. That is also going to give you financial freedom and financial independence if that is something that you are looking for, because earned income is not going to give you any of those. So that's all that I wanted to share with you today. Please don't forget to leave a comment and a like for me. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in another video.